Hey babes, my name is Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing and installing this beautiful unit by LUVME Hair. It is a low maintenance girly and it takes nothing but a minute to get this hair installed and looking right. Today I'm just going to share with you a quick install video featuring this unit. So thank you LUVME Hair for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. I am obsessed. Before we get to the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am almost at 700 subscribers and I'm super excited and so grateful for 636 as I am at right now. So don't forget to subscribe, girl. I am excited to hit 700. Woo! Okay, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, girls, so we're gonna start off with a gentle unboxing. Yes, I am loving the packaging, but we're gonna take that off and see what's inside. So first things first, it has a cute little message from the owner of LUVME Hair. We have our product, our beautiful, gorgeous wig, and then we have some gifts inside. First thing is a nice bag to keep your wig protected, instruction label and instruction manual, wig cap that comes with 2 wig caps inside. We have a cute little pouch with some accessories and it is so nice. We have a headband that helps you slick down the edges and keep your unit in place. We also have this cute mirror. I've been carrying this mirror around with me everywhere. It is so clear and so functional, and it comes in this nice little pouch. We also have an edge brush and comb. And last but not least, our gorgeous unit. So the unit is a 5x5 undetectable closure wig. It is in this kinky coily texture and it has been dyed. It is a medium brown with blonde goldish highlights and it is stunning. The curls are super soft, the hair is super soft and shiny, and I'm feeling it just right out of the package. The unit comes equipped with 2 wig combs on the side of the closure, also one on the back, and then one at the nape of the neck. We have a large band that is also adjustable and 2 adjustable straps right behind the ear. The 5x5 closure is also bleached and plucked, so you don't have to do any bleaching or plucking unless you want to customize it for your liking. For now, I'm going to keep it as is because I think it looks super natural as is, but maybe later on I'll go in and do a little bit of customization. The wig has a nice density to it. I would say this is medium to full density. Okay, so I am praying that the lighting is okay and it's not too dark in here for you guys to see me, and I'm gonna get started. So this is kind of a straight out of the package kind of unit. You shouldn't have to pluck it or bleach it or anything like that. I can see that the knots are really nice. I personally would bleach them one more time, but for this video I'm not going to do that. And the hair is super soft. I'm actually really into this color. I haven't had color in a minute, so I'm excited to try this, and I'm going to try to do glueless, no anything, no gel, no spray. I'm just kind of putting it on. Typically I would wash and condition the hair beforehand, but I just don't have the energy or time for, you know, waiting for it to dry. So we're gonna see how we can style this without having to do the absolute most. So I'm just taking off what is on my head and I'm just going to put on a wig cap. I did a wash yesterday so that I can have nice clean hair for the rest of the week, and I'm glad that I did that. So this is a pretty good quality wig cap. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail and kind of just throw this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the band first.
This is cute. This is really nice. So it's a little crooked. Let me just adjust it. Stop playing. Stop. Wait, okay. It's kind of cute. It's kind of giving. It's still a little crooked, but it is fine because this is still looking really nice. So this is what it looks like, just kind of thrown on. I haven't done anything, any customization to the cap or to the wig or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty powder, all the names and everything is going to be listed down below. I'm going to take my Fenty powder and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the cap as well as on the lace, and then I'm just going to trim the lace. So here we have the lace cut. I just cut directly at the hairline, nothing too fancy, and then I'm going to throw this back on my head. Ooh, stop. Wait oh my god, wait. Do you see this? You see it. It's scalp. It's just scalp. That's it. Except for this little part right here. But that is fine because I was pulling that up. But it's nothing but scalp. It's crooked. There you go. Okay, so that's that. Honestly, if it weren't for the front pieces being a little straight, I would feel like I can wear this straight out of the packet. The front pieces, as you can see, don't have as much texture as the back. This is super curly and this is straight, and I'm feeling that it's because this is more color treated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put some water, maybe a tiny bit of moisturizer or conditioner, and I'm going to go ahead and comb through with some mousse. Okay, so I'm back. I had to kind of go outside and like move my camera around just to get some of the products that I needed. So if this has shifted or changed, lo siento, but we're gonna get right into defining our curls. Alright, so these are the products that I'm going to be using.
First, I'm going to spray my hair with a bottle of water. Then I'm going to be using Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in. I'm going to also add Olaplex number 7 oil. And then lastly, I'm going to use the TRESemmé Expert Mousse to define the curls.
So I'm going to start with sectioning off my hair, and I'm not going to do too many crazy sections just because I don't think it really needs that, but also who has the time? So I'm just gonna kind of do this. So I'm gonna start with just wetting my hair with a little bit of water, not making it super wet, just a little damp. So this hair is super soft. It's not dry at all, even though it is color treated. And I can tell that you don't really need a lot of product to kind of define the curls. It's giving shake and go. So this is the side finished. And I'm just gonna let this air dry and I'm gonna finish the other side.
I did notice while editing this video that some parts of the video the lace is literally invisible, and then there are some parts where you can see the line of demarcation. It's only because of the harsh lighting that I had in my room, and that's why I mentioned the lighting initially, but I promise you that in real life you cannot see the lace. It is literally melted. I did go ahead and cut off a little bit more of the lace later on, but mostly it is actually so invisible. So I just wanted to note that if you see the lace later on in the video, it's literally the lighting trying to play games. Also went ahead and trimmed some of the hair, as I said, just to give it a little bit of shape. So I'm going to be showing the lace cutting and trimming in a part 2 video that I will tag in this video and leave in the description box as well.
This hair is stunning. It is so pretty. I love the color, I love the texture, and it is so soft, like softer than soft, and it's so touchable. It's so luscious, so full. The only thing that I would probably do to this unit is maybe add some layers just to get a little bit of volume. But again, my hair is still a little damp. I literally just finished putting the product in, so I know that it's going to kind of lift up and get a little bit voluminous throughout the week. So this side is almost dry. It's maybe 60-75% dry, and this side is pretty wet, so you can kind of see how this side is a little bit flat and this side is kind of shrinking and getting a little bit voluminous. So I will try to insert a clip of the hair maybe at the 3 or 4 day mark, because that's typically when I like my wash and go styles. So I'm gonna try to insert a clip right here. Editing Samantha, do what you need to do right here for you guys to see what the hair looks like after 2 to 3, 4 days of wear. Let me think of anything else that I want to say about this hair. It is, I've already told you it's stunning. Everything is going to be linked down below. My discount code, the links to this exact unit, all of the specs, and probably the Amazon link to some of these products that I like to use on my units and that I like to use on my natural hair. I can't think of anything else. It's absolutely stunning. I really love LUVME Hair. They have amazing products, and this is a testament to that. All of the products that I've tried from them, either personally or sponsored, have been like top quality and absolutely stunning. So that's it for today. If you like this video, definitely like this video. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this unit. Would it be something that you would try, or what else are you into? Are you into the straight hair? Are you into, you know, like a little buzz cut? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.